equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the BMAX SL-Mini PC motherboard. Today, we'll be diving into the tools you'll need, the steps to take, and some handy tips along the way. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. Begin by powering off your BMAX SL-Mini PC and unplugging it from the wall. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is off, carefully disconnect the power supply and any other cables connected to the motherboard. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any connectors. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, let's focus on the motherboard itself. Inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or bulging capacitors. If you notice any issues, it's crucial to address them before proceeding. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any components that may be in the way. Next, we'll clean the motherboard. Dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the surface. This will remove any dust or debris that could interfere with the repair. Ensure you let it dry completely before moving on. If you need to replace any components, make sure to have the correct replacements on hand. It's essential to use parts that are compatible with your BMAX SL-Mini PC. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Once you've replaced any faulty components, it's time to reassemble the motherboard. Carefully reconnect all cables and ensure everything is secure. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home if you prefer not to handle this yourself. After everything is connected, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Power on your BMAX SL-Mini PC and check if it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. In summary, repairing the BMAX SL-Mini PC motherboard can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can have your device up and running in no time. Remember, we are here to help with any repairs you might need, so feel free to contact us for support. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.